Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. So now I want to show you how to prove. So we have the formula in here. So this one that is about this one. This one that is about this one. Tanx this one. Cotx this one. Now we can do common denominator of this one. Similar for this one. So sin x squared plus cosine x squared, that is about number 1. So this one will go in here. So sin x cosine x multiplied by this one and this one. So we have like this. So we simplify and we have sin x plus cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.